about to make my beef sauce. Say, I'm about to make my beef sauce.
That yum yum good. That yum yum good.
I got my beef sauce. My beef sauce. My beef sauce.
That yum yum good. That yum yum good.
Smackalicious good. Smackalicious good. Hey y'all, what's up my butterflies? Welcome back to my channel. Today we will be doing a Smackalicious review. That's right. So we got your girl Bloves sauce here. I've been wanting to try this sauce for so long. I was so excited when the sauce came out.
Me too.
And this is our sauce. I hope you guys can see everything okay. Today what we have the pink pack spicy noodles, 1 cluster snow crab, corn. I have a lobster, mussels, 2 eggs. I have 2 potatoes because I didn't really want any potatoes. And then we have some shrimp here.
Yeah.
So, and I got some water. Huh?
Corn.
Yeah, I said corn. Oh, and some cucumbers.
That one put in.
Ooh, Lord.
Oh,
That's spicy. So, yeah, you guys. So, oh, y'all know what? I forgot her packaging. Let me get it so we can fit it in the camera. Okay. So, we're back. All right. So, here's her sauce package. I did not use the whole package at all.
Yep.
So, I still
that
got.
would have been a lot of sauce.
Yeah, this is like where I'm at. Like, I still got a lot of sauce left. So, yeah. So, I'm so excited to be trying this. And y'all know my daughter had to be with me today because she will be lovely. So, here we go. We're going to say our grace first, and then we'll get into the video.
Amen.
All right. So, I ain't going to lie, y'all. I've been wanting to do this for a long time.
Me too.
With this egg. Like, oh, my God. I've been wanting to do this for a long time. Oh, this shirt. I hope I'm getting this on my shirt.
Yep.
So I'm
gonna try the noodles first. And yeah, mine don't look like her noodles because I don't use all my sauce packet. That stuff is hot.
Hold on. I can't get this on my shirt. Yeah, that's what I want to get. I want all that. I want all that on it. That's what I want. Right there.
I like it. It's good. Do you like it? I like it. Let me get another bite. What? The sauce.
It's good. She did good, man. What is that?
I like it. It's very
you like
good.
it?
Yeah.
It is good.
It's good. She did good on that. She doing her thing.
Yeah, she really is. It is so good. It's
really good, though. Yep.
I've been waiting to do it too. Ooh, I've been waiting to do this.
Oh, you put awesome. So you put it all in there. Try the sauce in your noodles. Because I like it. It's really good. What's that? Seed.
It's good. It's good.
She is doing her thing on this.
Yeah, she really is. She did good. And we made it the exact way you said to make it. Exactly. The only thing that I did not use was the chicken broth. I used vegetable broth instead. It is good.
Yes.
I can't even talk. I'm sorry, y'all. It is so freaking good, B-Love. And as I'm recording this video, I don't even know if I'm going to post this video or not. I don't know. I told her that before we even start recording. Because I don't really be doing mukbang no more.
These are cucumbers. Y'all want to know what she set them in? Pickle juice. I'm scared to try it, but I'll try it.
What do you think a pickle is?
A pickle?
A cucumber. Mm-hmm.
It's pretty good. I'm gonna try.
I gotta stay out away from these noodles because I done got full so quick.
Yeah, them noodles get you full. They're so thick. It's very thick noodles. But Beloved is really doing good because I really like her sauce. It's good. It's like normal steak.
This stuff is messy.
It's like normal steaks and her sauce.
Yeah, I'll be back. I gotta change my shirt.
Well, she back.
We back.
We're back to her sauce. This is bomb. It is good.
I had to change my shirt.
That wasn't my shirt. That would have got dirty. You had to hit the
I would've been
cleaners.
mad.
That wouldn't even be able to go in my shirt. That would go to the cleaners. To the color. I'm dipping the noodles in her sauce.
I know it's good. I did it too. It's good.
Her sauce is like, it's like perfectly seasoned. Perfect. So good.
Oh, I've been wanting food. Look at that.
So
I said yum yum good. Okay.
yum, yum, good. The potato and lemon time. I'm actually shocked. This is good. It's good.
I'm eating. It ain't gonna be too much talking, y'all. I'm sorry.
She is killing it right now.
Oh, with the sauce.
Yes.
Yeah, it's good. Oh, I want to taste like on here.
Huh?
Got me some fish and
Oh, fish.
fish with some hot sauce. I mean, dip it in this sauce.
Fish.
Yeah, I cook this stuff myself.
Here, we didn't buy it. We had to. Well, we bought it.
Bought it from the store,
Yeah.
but
I'm saying like a restaurant. We didn't get it from a restaurant.
right.
Bought it and cooked ours. But I really love it. Beloved, you're doing so good. This is good. It's no you can't go wrong with this sauce.
Yeah.
It literally goes to everything. It's just like how white goes to everything. This sauce goes to everything.
That's a good way to put it.
Yeah. So good.
We love and waiting to try this thing. Sauce, though.
We both been waiting. I'm so happy when it came in the mail. I came home from school. Came home from school, got off the bus, and I saw a package in the front door. When I came in the house, and I called my mom. I told her the sauce came. Alright.
I know y'all probably can hear Nancy saying she talks so low. I told you gotta talk up a little bit.
Huh? But I was saying, since I talk low, I was saying like when the sauce came, I had came home from school. I had got off the bus, and like I knew the sauce had came because I knew like she had ordered it, and she was so happy about it.
Mm-hmm.
Like, oh, I can't wait.
Mm-hmm. How did I act when I got home that day? And I seen it was there.
I remember that you was just happy. You was like happy, and she started singing about it. It was funny.
I was so excited. I was
But
so excited.
the hype is. So if y'all
It's
order,
worth the hype.
it is, and if y'all ordered it and y'all gotta wait till it come, it's worth the wait.
Yeah.
It was worth the wait because it's good. Cute. But,
And then it's like a whole pot of this sauce over there. Like
I promise.
we got a lot left.
But she just made it.
Mm-hmm.
Yep, today we just made it. So, like, it's so much sauce left. But yeah, and it go great with crab legs.
Mm-hmm. Well, you know it go good with crab leg.
Duh. Uh-oh.
I ain't posted no mukbang in so long. I don't know if I'm gonna post it.
Huh?
I ain't posted no mukbang in so long.
Why? Well, I know why.
Well, you know why. It's my phone. Why? Oh man, y'all got a bag over here.
It's over there.
But otherwise, y'all see me putting stuff in it.
Cute. Wow.
Who playing with? Look at that. Who playing with?
It's a lobster. I forgot I had this potato. I just be biting stuff and putting it back. So good. Oh! Girl, got my teeth and be snapped to. You know who sausage is trying next? Huh?
I'm good.
You know who sausage is trying next? Sassy. Don't she got a sauce? I think so. I think she got a sauce.
I don't think it's her sauce. I think that it's like a sauce there.
Nuh-uh.
It made in Thailand. I don't know.
Because B-Love tried it like a long time ago.
Maybe I don't know. But
She tried sassy.
my noodles gonna dry out there, y'all.
That's Blake, y'all.
I'm recording late, so.
He just came from outside. Gotta get everything. Don't just be dipping her sauce like this. You gotta get all of it.
Mm-hmm.
Period. Cool. I didn't slacking. Time for me to try these shrimp. Lord have mercy. Now the shrimp, I expect a lot from this shrimp. I don't know. Stop playing with it.
Good on it.
Yes.
B-Loves, you did your thing, Shawty. For real, okay.
So good.
I gotta try it.
in the sauce. Yeah. I told you. Wow. I think the pickle just set it off.
It's good.
Yep. Just so
I already tried.
what?
I tried the corn.
I don't pay no attention, y'all. I don't be paying attention. We both got water. Stop my ice monster.
Whew. Yeah, I get full easy, I'm telling you. So I don't force myself to eat when I'm full. So I am done. I don't know if you're done.
No, but you can end the video because this sauce is good. And I can really eat how I want to eat.
So even if
Because you have to eat a certain way on camera and stuff. So.
I know, I would be scared. You go eat, you how you supposed to eat, period, you know. But you guys, I hope you guys tune in to this mukbang. I haven't done one in forever. I hope you guys support it. I hope you guys like the video. And until next time, remember, I love you. Remember to love yourself, and always remember to encourage someone else. Peace out.